Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Brian Daggett. This is my YouTube channel. If you would please, before we get started in this video, hit subscribe for me. I would really appreciate it, y'all. So I get a lot of questions about what kind of microphones I use for my drums in my recording process and making videos, recording tracks for people. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of my entire drum microphone setup. Believe it or not, when I first got into making drum cover videos, I started in the basement of my old house in Georgia. I had one PGA 58 microphone that I would hang in the ceiling, shooting down over my whole entire drum set. I would use Audacity and then I would mix the video with the audio, and that was my very first drum cover. Since then, I have graduated and have upgraded my entire recording setup and started picking up microphones along the way. I've gone through so many different companies like Sennheiser, CAD, Earthworks, Audio-Technica, AKG, Warm. I finally settled on a setup which I'm very happy and comfortable with. So let's hop in there and let's take a look. This is my 5-piece Tama Star Maple. Inside the kick, I use a Sennheiser 902. And on the outside, I use a Sonos sub-kick, which creates a lot of depth. Over here on my hi-hat, I have an Earthworks TC30. On my snare, it's the old SM57. Underneath the snare, I use the Sennheiser 421. Over here on my timbali, I have the Audio-Technica ATM 230. It's a great microphone. I also use that mic on rack 1. That's an ATM 230. Rack 2, same mic. And I also use it over here on my floor tom. These microphones are built like tanks and they sound amazing. Underneath my ride here, I got another Earthworks TC30. And for the overheads, I have the Beyerdynamics MC930 match pair. Coming over here for the room, I have the Warm Audio 87, the WA87. It's awesome mic. It's supposed to be a clone of a Neumann U87. And my telephone microphone right there. Over here on the wall, I use the Warm Audio WA14. It's supposed to be a clone of a C414. And same thing over here on this side, I have the WA14. So it creates a lot of depth, a lot of space in this room, and that's the tour of my kit. So as you can see, there are all kinds of microphones that you can use. There are different setups that you can use. I recommend that you experiment and play around with different mic positionings, different microphones, because eventually you're going to come across that sound that you've been looking for. Thanks again for checking this video out, y'all. Have a great day. Peace.